Want to turn your passion into profit on YouTube, just like creators who exploded onto the scene? It's totally doable and faster than you think. First, nail down your niche. Think about what you love and what others are searching for. Are you a whiz at baking sourdough, a gamer crushing Elden Ring, or a tech reviewer with a knack for explaining complex gadgets? Once you've got that, create high-quality, engaging videos consistently. Think clear audio, good lighting, and editing that keeps viewers hooked. Now for the monetization magic. Focus on building a loyal audience. YouTube's partner program is your first stop, requiring 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. But don't stop there. Once you're eligible, explore options like affiliate marketing, think linking to your favorite tech gadgets on Amazon, or even selling your own merchandise. Brands are also always looking for collaborations with creators who have a dedicated following, much like popular travel vloggers partnering with tourism boards. The key is to treat your channel like a real business from day one. Engage with your comments, analyze your analytics to see what resonates, and don't be afraid to experiment. Consistency and value are your superpowers. So, pick your niche, hit record, and start building your empire today.